Live. Are we live?
I think so this time. Did we get...
Facebook Live sounds good. Everything's good. Welcome to 442 Sawtell Avenue. 3-bedroom, 1-bath. It's 1274 square feet. Nice remodel.
Yes.
Nice remodel. There is only 1 bath, but there's room for a second bath. The backyard's amazingly huge. It is on the transparent online bidding, which is basically better than not transparent, right?
I like it.
So the buyers know exactly what they're getting. Sellers are saving money through a buyer premium, so it's a win-win. So it's a fantastic opportunity. We have 48 showings scheduled for today and tomorrow. I want to invite you to come up. I put the link inside this post, how to get in, how to see it, and also how to bid on it, should you want to bid on it, under offers link. Reach out to me, of course. My direct cell line's in there as well. So I'm absolutely happy to help. But we're super, super excited. This is a fantastically beautiful property. I'm going to go ahead and take you for a quick tour. In between showings, we've staggered showings every 15 minutes. And so we've got people lined up, so I don't want to, get in their way. So I'm going to go ahead and take the camera now, and we're going to go ahead and keep on Daniel. Daniel, what do you got to say, brother?
Well, we're going to show you what we got, but it's totally remodeled. New flooring, new bathroom, remodeled, new fixtures, new tile, new tub, new vanity.
So I'm going to show them the outside first. You get set up inside. So here's the outside of the home. Here's the contact information if you have any contact information issues, questions. What I want to point out, though, is I have open house signs. This is not an open house. This is by appointment only. This just lets people know exactly where the home is so they don't get lost. As you can see, people are social distancing. There's the next group. Here's the next group. And every 15 minutes from 10 o'clock this morning, actually, come to find out, it started at 8:30. So this is where we set up. So the buyers and their agent walk here. They have their masks, their gloves, everything that's necessary to follow COVID protocol. We have wipes. We have waters, White Cut waters. Come on by for a water. Go to 14dayhomeauction.com for more information. Let's go through the home. I think Daniel's inside waiting for us. But look at the neighborhood. Isn't this beautiful? Just beautiful. There's Howard. Hi, buddy. Okay, let's go inside.
Hey, Robert, come on in. Let's show these guys.
I will.
Let's show these guys this home.
Is this the living room?
Yes, sir. Make sure we check out this awesome, fabulous kitchen.
Okay, so let me slide on by so I don't give you COVID.
There you go. Check out the
Hello,
kitchen,
sir.
guys.
We're social distancing. Look at this beautiful kitchen. Isn't this kitchen fantastic?
Yep.
What are your thoughts, Daniel, on this kitchen?
I could do some serious cooking in here.
You're a cook. You're a chef.
That's right.
You can chef out in here.
Let's do it.
But look how beautiful it is. I mean, the backsplash.
Stainless steel appliances minus a refrigerator, so you have to bring a refrigerator,
bring your own
guys.
fridge. But you know what? Refrigerators nowadays are so personal that it's important that you go buy your own. This is my favorite room. Wood beam ceilings. It's huge. This room is ginormous. Carla was thinking maybe like a TV area here and then a dining area here, like a formal dining area here, because you have indoor dining right here inside the kitchen. Hi, Daniel.
Hey, Robert.
See how open it is?
It is.
But here, let me show you. This is
awesome.
one of the, look how big this backyard is. It's fantastic. Look at this backyard. This is where I'd put the master suite extra room 2-bath. But look at this backyard. It is fantastico. Look at this. Isn't this great? Look at the size of it. And look at the view. Your eyes can expand in this backyard. So
They did a good job.
that's where I do the addition. You can do a new patio and kind of push that out. You can do so many things with this backyard. Look how big this thing is. Oh, man. Pool, ADU, whatever you want. And then this is, I think, my favorite. Wood beam ceilings.
Yep.
I have a house.
Just a
Okay.
fantastic.
I want to give it to my son.
It's beautiful.
And you want to move
It's
in?
huge.
I want to move into.
It's a beautiful home.
That I could afford.
Excuse me, gentlemen. I'm going to walk right by you. Thank you so much. I'm going to show the bedrooms. They all have ceiling fans. You got the wood floors.
Yeah.
They're laminate, but they're wood laminate with floors.
I could use it for trading.
This is the, I guess they would call this the master. Okay. And then this is the room.
Well, good luck.
I would make this I'd kick this room out, or maybe even put a master with a bathroom right off of here. So you have a 4-bedroom, 2-bath very easily, or just love this 3-bedroom, 1-bath. All remote control fans. It is fantastic. Like I said, we have by appointment only showings every 15 minutes since 8:30 this morning. We have over 48 registered guests, and they're backed up and ready to go. So I'm going to let you go. I'm going to turn this around. So hey, this is Robert Weichelt. I got my mask off because I was inside. Okay, so I'm social distancing right now. But come on by. There's our check-in desk. We're ready to go, showing by appointment only. 442 Sawtell. Come on by, check it out. If you know anyone looking to buy, sell, or invest, we have an auction platform that helps sellers save thousands of dollars by utilizing the auction buyer's premium. The buyers have transparent bidding opportunity. They see all the bids, so there's no blind bidding. Reach out to me. If you want to sell your home, reach out to me. If you're looking to buy a home, reach out to me. If you're an agent, want to get this kind of traffic at your open houses, not an open house by appointment only, you reach out to me. This is Robert Weichelt with eXp. Have a beautiful Saturday, and we're here today and tomorrow. Have a great day.